New MacBook, same old problems. So I treated myself. I was originally running the old school laptop, which was the 2015 model, the unibody 13-inch, or the 2015s were the best ones. And decided to just treat myself, get the 16-inch M1 Max, 32 gigs RAM, 1TB SSD. Yeah, got it, been using it, was super happy with it. It was lightning fast compared to my old one, started to show its age, on startup times especially, but apart from that, it was really good laptop, didn't really have any problems with it. But yeah, got this one, started using it, was really happy with it, and then got a bit of a tangle when the screen was off and started to see something that I experienced before, which is what I'm showing here. This is a really bad example of what can happen if you don't stop it and just don't do anything to try and prevent it. But Apple know about it. They run a program, they run a a replacement program. You can go on their website and you can see what they cover. But what they'll do is they'll just take your laptop. I've done it on my old one actually, because I started having those problems, so I know to look out for it. And they will just put a brand new screen on for you, which is like, great, happy days, that's all good. So I was kind of to see that it's happening with the newer ones, thought they would have clicked onto it and done something to stop it. I went to Apple the other day thinking, yeah, let me try this, see if they'll replace the screen, and then I can take preventative steps, put a bit of fabric in between the keyboard and the screen to stop it from happening. But unfortunately, I was told because I have a USA laptop, it's not covered under consumer law, so.
Computer says no.
Instead of it being for free, it's going to be, or they wanted, around 850 odd pounds.
No. Oh no.
But yeah, I just love the way that Apple go on like it's all a big shock to them. And
wow, I've never seen this before. Wow, what's going on? You're a one-off.
Yeah, no, you know what's going on, Apple, and it's kind of a take, and it's a bit of a to not be able to remedy something that you blatantly know is happening.
Okay, so just had to cut into that rant video because there's been a little bit of progression. So what I did today was I actually called up Apple and tried to push it a little bit more. Got put through to one person. They were like a lower level, so they escalated it a little bit and took it to a technician. Really nice guy. He knew exactly what I was talking about. He said, yep, this is a known issue to us. We know about the anti-glare coating coming off. They're running programs to sort it out and to fix it. And he actually said that at the moment, I think they're doing the 2016 to 2018 models and they're getting covered by this. What he said he's going to try and do is push it on my behalf to make a one-time maybe exception for me in this situation to try and get it replaced. I bought it from Apple. They know that there's a problem. That's a big problem. It's an expensive item. Yeah, they should be doing the right thing. So let's wait and see. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I hear back from them tomorrow and it's good news and I can tell you guys and progress the video maybe in a different way. Or if it's a no, we can carry on with the rant.
They said no. I've left the link in the description below to what I found is to be the best cover to go over your keys and to help prevent this from happening or getting any worse. It's hardware, it's nothing to do with me. I'm showing in the pictures. Luckily, I think I've caught it quick enough. So what I'm going to do is just put a bit of microfiber, a really thin one, so that it doesn't interfere with the closing mechanism. Screen and the keys. And speaking of keys, typical Apple, trying to cut a few corners, trying to be clever. They've ended up using some kind of cheap plastic. The keys get this kind of shine on them and you can't clean it off. On the old ones, yeah, you'd get a bit of grease. You would just wipe it off and they would look brand new again. But this one, no, it just wears away and there's nothing you can do about it. Said it to them as well when I went to the Apple store.
No, it's normal. It's just the oils on your skin and you wear it.
Okay, it didn't happen with the last one, mate, so. But it is what it is.
It is what it is.
So just so you know. Anyway, thanks for listening. And if you've got one, I hope you can sort it out and it don't happen to you. Take it easy, guys. Peace.